So today we're going to be taking a look at these Oladance OWS Pros. Oladance is a wireless earphone with an open ear design. So it actually attaches to your ear using a titanium frame. It is comfort focused, it's flexible, so it should be delivering really great epic sound without actually entering your ear canal, which is fantastic. They do call these open wearable stereos, so it's saying it's a bit more than just a headphone. So I'm excited to get this open, test these out and see what these are really about, because as a runner myself, I'm always looking for great earphones I can be wearing while staying on the move and not actually hurting my ears. Okay, so I'm super excited to get into this product and open it up. As I do that, I do want to just talk about some of the great benefits of why you may want to use Oladance OWS over in-the-ear earphones, and why Oladance wearable stereo may be the choice for you. Basically, with their open wearable stereo technology, it does mean that you have no risk of hearing loss. It does have superior sound quality and solves acoustic imperfections with better audio performance against similar open ear designs. So they have actually really focused on the technology and honing that in. They are comfortable ear breathing wearing experience, so it does mean that you can actually wear these for a really long time without getting that fatigue. I personally have an issue when I'm wearing inner ear earbuds. I can't wear them for a really long time. And plus these have a really good battery life, so you're not going to get that anxiety or how quickly you're going to have to recharge them and not be able to wear them. I have that issue again with some inner ear ones that I have. So the OWS Pros do have up to 16 hours battery life, and with the charging case it's actually 58 hours, and they do have a fast charge option which is 15 minutes, and that will actually create up to 6 hours of playing time. And keep in mind they do have a low energy consumption design. So the OWS Pro is equipped with a patented energy lock technology to lock, empower and reduce anxiety, and they did actually self-develop 150 mAh little steel cannon is what they call it, battery which offers high density, small volume and stronger charge storage with higher safety. So powering these on and off is super simple. You just hold down the power button on the OWS Pros for a period of time until you feel 2 short vibrations in a row. Then you can connect to your device using the Bluetooth 5.3, which ensures that safe and stable. So they do also have some really simple controls, and the instructions does explain them. It does use a single click and a double click method. So when you're in music mode, if you hit that single click, it is a play or pause. And then if you do a double click on the left earphone, it'll play the previous music. And if you double click on the right earphone, or play the next music. Now in phone mode, if you single click it will answer, and if you double click then it will hang up, reject the call. There is a phone app that you can download, and this will give you complete customization and control of your OWS Pro, from customizing the buttons to actually going in and switching up the EQ, turning the bass up, or just to have it on a focus mode so you can just get in there and get your workout done or your work session that you need to get done. You can switch it for EQing between better music or better phone calls, and you can of course get updates, do sound balancing, hearing protection, EQ, touch gestures, absolutely everything to customize these earbuds, which honestly I've never had a pair of earbuds that have ever gave me this much power and control. Okay, so I've been using the OWS Pros for the last few days now. I've tested them while working out, running, editing videos, and well, at work, so a long extended period of time. And honestly, I'm just absolutely in love with these. I really want to talk about a couple of features though. I think they just kind of stand out on these. So first of all, the hygienic aspect of the design. As you can see, they are made with silicone. So not only are they actually soft to touch, but also means that they don't hurt my ears when wearing them for an extended period of time. But what also means is they're really easy to clean. So I found with inner ear earbuds that they get clogged up, and dirt and sweat and everything gets inside that little bit, and you have to like pull it apart and get out there. But with the OWS Pros, they can actually be cleaned really easy. I just use an alcohol rub every now and again. And because they sit on the outside of your ear, they don't get all that extra gunk and stuff inside. So while we're talking about the design, due to that open design, the pressure field, it's hard to form. That means the sound energy will not be forced to apply to your eardrum itself. So that basically means that's doing less harm to your ear, as you can see. And the OWS just basically reduces risk of hearing loss, well, to a minimum. And with that open ear design, again, I know I keep showing this off, but I think it sits really well. With the open ear design, it actually allows you to enjoy your music while taking notice of your surroundings. So if you run outside, you'll still be able to like hear and know what's going on around you, and you can still just feel safe while listening to music. So with the OWS Pros being made with that silicone, which makes them extra comfortable for an extended period of time. Plus, I mean, the audio quality is super clear. I think it's because they're equipped with a 23 by 10 millimeter large diaphragm driver, or both, obviously. And then they're fortified with a virtual bass second algorithm. Yeah, okay. These are serious business. But this means not only are they good for listening to music, but they are perfect for long, extended, hands-free phone calls that you need to take. If it be a business call, or your spouse wanting to hear about your day, or maybe even on hold listening to some royalty-free piano tune on repeat. They're perfect. Anyway, I like to have them with me in the car since they are super easy to slip on over my ear while driving. So that way I can take those calls without being distracted, and then it allows me just to have really clear, crisp sound, hands-free. Sometimes when I have it on my car system, I can't hear properly, or I have to have the volume up extra loud, and now I find myself yelling at the car while getting my ears attacked by the sound system. So these have just kind of like really fixed that up, and yeah, just made it so much more easy, comfortable, and definitely better for my ears. So that is a look at the Oladance OWS Pros. These things are fantastic. If you are interested, there is a link in the description. Do like, comment, subscribe for more reviews like this.